Philo? Philo?
Madam.
The baby is crying. Carry him.
Okay, ma.
Drop my food!
Ma?
Are you alright? I said carry the baby, not the food.
Okay.
Philo?
Sorry.
What is it?
What is it? Huh?
What is it? What is it? Are you there? What?
Just get out.
Philo, what is wrong with you? You have something to say that is tangible. Say it and go. Let me eat my food in peace now.
Just go!
Okay. Philo! Judy, why did you allow her? Why did you allow that woman there to carry your food? What is your problem? Judy!
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.